Hi lovelies and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. We had just finished from church and we were just rushing to get home, pack our bags and get on our way.
2 hours later.
Even my eyelashes are stressed, guys. It's Vlogmas Day 10 and we're on our way back to this beach.
Hey, just go back. Go back.
Daniel, you can see me making a video, right?
Yeah! Hey, go back. Go back. You go all the way.
Hi guys and welcome back to the vlog. So it is Vlogmas Day 10. So we're on our way back to West Beach. We just stopped by the petrol station to buy fuel.
Ooh, you mean London?
We stopped by Londis to buy fuel. But anyway, we're on our way home. We should be going home
After
as
we
soon
buy
as
fuel.
the boys go to the toilet. Another 6 hours in this car with these boys. God help me. Anyway, you guys, Vlogmas Day 9 is going live in about an hour from now. So I'm uploading that on my phone as we travel. Guys, I'm recording a video. Seriously. I'll talk to you guys later.
1 eternity later.
Oh, you guys, I'm tired. I'm tired. We have 3 more hours to the end of the trip. So we've stopped by a petrol station here. Want to fill up the tank for the week. The boys have also gone to the toilet. And I still have work to do when I get home. I'm going to work tomorrow. Actually, I have 2 things to do. Asha has like a school. Yeah, I lost the nail. Asha has a school program where they are going to sing carol and the parents are supposed to attend. And then I'm going to go into work. And at the end of work, yes, tomorrow, I still have some content to film because even while we were in Scotland, I got notifications that some of my packages have been left with my neighbor. You know, you guys remember before we left, I had some packages that I still hadn't yet unboxed. I'm tired. Like I have physical body pains. I just want to marinate in hot water and sleep for 2 days. That's what I want to do. As much as this trip would have been a lot more eventful if we had time to space things, it was necessary. Anyway, you guys, I would definitely be going back to Scotland, Glasgow especially, because there's a lot to do. Reminds me of living in South Africa. I miss it. I miss that. You guys, pray for your girl. The girl is tired, but we move. Thank you guys to everyone who was understanding for not being able to post Vlogmas Day 8 when I should have posted it. And then you guys had to watch 2 content in one day. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support. I'll talk to you when we get home.
Anyway, when we got home, I just had to go ahead and settle the boys. My husband and I did that, but he did most of the work because I had to come back and prepare for lunch tomorrow. Asha is having a Christmas party, and since he's not getting the school dinner, I had to look for something that he could take so he doesn't feel left out. So I just quickly marinated 1 breast of chicken that I cut in 2, and my husband's going to take the other one to work, and that's everyone sorted. I still have some fried rice in the freezer. I have some ofada as well in the freezer, and so Asha's just going to take one of these with his chips, and he's going to have some fruit on the side as usual. So this was as far as I could go. I didn't even plate anything. I just served it all up, and that was it. We had to give the boys a quick dinner as well. I was completely famished, exhausted at this point. I just wanted to have my bath with really hot water and sleep. Like that was all I wanted to do. But anyway, as the food was getting ready, I had to sort myself out as well. I had a drink because water was very unappealing at the moment. But anyway, I just went ahead to have some ribena that was already pre-mixed, and then was making some fries and nuggets in the air fryer. And once that was done, I just served that up and then I ate. But you guys, Vlogmas has been showing me shaky. Like at some point I had to second guess myself, like who sent me to do Vlogmas. Like the 1 year that I thought that I could handle Vlogmas is the 1 year that I am struggling. Like there's just so much to do with so little time. Like I feel like 24 hours is not enough in a day. But anyway, you guys, I'll keep pushing because I am committed to seeing this to the end. And it is kind of like journaling. It's kind of like it is therapeutic as well, to be honest, because I get to connect with you guys on different levels, and I'm also documenting my journey as I go along. But anyway, this is me just taking it one day at a time. Thank you so much for all your encouragements. You guys don't know what your comments are doing. I even have people in my DMs on Instagram who have reached out and left me the sweetest messages. Like even on day 8 when I was supposed to upload a video and I couldn't, a couple of you reached out to me via Instagram and you left me the sweetest messages. God bless you for that. This is me eating dinner on my feet as per usual. This is not different. It's very much like every other day. I usually eat on my feet because once I sit down, and I'm sure most of you must be wondering as well, like why don't I take off my clothes or jewelry before I start cooking? As soon as I sit down, it's all over. I don't get up to do anything else. So once I'm still standing, I try to do as much as possible before I start to unwind. And once water touches my body, like when I take a bath, there's nothing else that I'm doing for that night. It's sleep straight away. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for your encouragement and your engagement on the channel so far. Glasgow was an amazing experience. The only takeaway is the length of the journey and all of that, but that's it. Thank you to everyone. Before we go today, let's just hear a quick word from today's sponsor. So Thank You Lashes sent me these 2 lashes to try out in the video today. They've sent me this ethereal one that I call the statement lashes, and they've also sent me the feline one, aka my work lashes, which are very subtle and look very natural. They both came with free gifts. They both came with an extra magnetic eyeliner, and I'm going to be trying out the ethereal one because it is such a statement piece. This is what it looks like before I put it on. You can see the magnet tags on there, and the length of these lashes will be on your screen. It comes in a variation of sizes, so you can choose how you want them, how long or short you want them. And yeah, this is the feline one. The length will also be on the screen. This is how I apply the magnetic eyeliner, and this is such a game changer for me when it comes to my lash application. It comes so easily, and this is how I attach the lashes. Minimal work. It comes with this stencil that just helps you put on your lashes so easily, and after you've attached the lashes, letting it dry for 2 seconds, you just pinch both your lashes and the full lashes on together, and boom, look at that melt. Tell me this thing is not going from my own lashes. But anyway, you guys, this is the second eye. You basically do the same. It's a bit challenging for me, but I get it done all the same. This is the second application, and it's pretty much the same. Further details to these lashes will be in the description box. Remember to check that out, and you can also partake of some amazing benefits in form of discounts when you use my unique code. But anyway, don't forget to scrunch both layers together just to give it a perfect finish, and this is what my lashes are looking like. I'm going to show you a side view so you kind of see how it looks. And for this look, I'm putting on no makeup, just eyeliner and brows, just so that the lashes can shine on their own. It is so good. These are the ethereal ones, just in case anyone is wondering. And at the end of the day, after a full day of content creation, it comes off so easily, and I love the fact that it comes off with the magnetic eyeliner, leaving very little residue. and it's so easy to come off. I'll put the second one in slow motion so you can see how the lashes are still holding on for dear life. It is really, really good. And just to pull it off, you pull out one end from the inner eye out to the outer eye, and that is it. Remember to use my discount code for amazing discounts.